in example number 3, we have two equations with brackets, multiplication, denominator. Kind of like they're giving us everything that they don't want to work with, and they put it all in the same system. Given we have learned the method of elimination, I'm going to make both equations look in the same way. I'm going to keep the x and the y on one side, then the number on the other side, like x plus y on the left and the 1 on the other side. But at the same time, I want to eliminate the denominator. If we had to multiply, if we had to expand the bracket, this is what we'll be getting for now. But it will still come with a denominator. We want to eliminate the denominator. Yeah. We can do this by making the first equation 2 times bigger and the second equation 3 times bigger. When we had to make everything 2 times bigger for the first one, the denominator will now be gone. It will be x, it will be 3, and then 4y, and then 10. For the ones that come with a denominator, it will cancel out with the 2 times. And for the terms that don't have a denominator, you will actually multiply it by 2. And this will give us x plus y equals 13. Grouping the like terms together. Using the same concept for the second equation. After you group the like terms together, we will end up with negative 28x plus 51. Let me bring this underneath. This is how we match the terms in columns. Starting with the x, then the y, then the constant on the other side. I can now eliminate one of the variables. Which one do you want to eliminate? X? If you want to eliminate the x, what would you multiply? 28. When I times it by 28, we will end up with 28x plus, use your calculator, 28 times 4. 116? 112? Thank you. And then 13 times 28, 364. You can use your calculator to do this. And of course, for the second equation, we don't need to do anything about it because it comes with 28x. And then you add them. Why do you add them? Because the sign is opposite. We have a positive 28, and then we have a negative 28. We can add the two equations together. So now the x will be gone. And therefore, y equals, would it be divisible by 127? No? So just big number like this? Can we simplify it? No? That's too bad then. Once I have this value, I can now substitute this number back to either the first equation or the second equation. Or if you prefer, you can go all the way back to the very beginning. It doesn't matter. You do about once you make your substitution. Let me put it here. With x plus 4 times y equals 13, I can put it into my calculator and come up with the value. I have 13 minus 4 times 364 divided by 127. 1.53. Or if you want your calculator to give us the answer in fractions, you can press the math button on your calculator. The math button is underneath the alpha, underneath the green button. Press the math button once, and the very first options on the window will turn your answer to a fraction. 195 over 127.